wanna fuck with me. Girl, roll up a half a G. And you know I'm coming with you. And we're gonna party all night. If you wanna fuck with me, hold my guns and my G's. Girl, you the realest bitch I know. So smoke some Joe with me. She the realest bitch I know. Rollin' half of a O. She the realest bitch I know. I'm gon' hit that all night, bro. She the realest bitch I seen. Yeah, she the girl of my dream. I just wanna fuck her all night. Roll up there, we so right. She a bad bitch, I know. Yeah, she roll up half a O. She the baddest bitch I know, nigga. Yeah, I'ma fuck her the right way. Met her when I was 16. Yeah, her ass was so fat back then. Had a nigga like, damn, I wanna get with her. And you know, I rolled up and said hi to her. She said, how you doing? I said, how you doing? My name Deshaun. I know, what's your name? She said, Mary. Yeah, I said, baby, I love that name. You know I roll up her all the time. And you know she stay on my mind. And you know about me, baby, we gon' shine forever. You be mine. Sing this song. And you know about me, you never go wrong. You the baddest bitch I know. Yeah, she roll up half a O. She the baddest bitch I know though. You know she's so right, yeah. She the baddest bitch I seen. Yeah, her ass fat in them jeans. Damn, she the baddest bitch I know. Oh, I'ma fuck her the right way. You the baddest bitch I know. Yeah, you roll a half a O. I just wanna fuck you the right way. You my baby, babe. You the baddest bitch I know. Yeah, she roll a half a O. You a genie in a bottle. I'm gonna rub you the right way. You baddest bitch I know. Rolling up a half a O. You the baddest bitch I know, babe. I'ma fuck you the right way. I'ma fuck you the right way. I'ma fuck you the right way. Fuck you the right way. I'ma fuck you the right way. I'ma fuck you the right way. Yeah, Deshaun, 420 Music. Yeah, you know what it is. I'm out. Peace.